Unit 3 next method is Hungarian assignment method. Solve the following assignment problem which minimize the total time. Men or person, task or jobs. There are A, B, C, D or the jobs or task. E, F, G, H are the men or persons. In this case we have to select each person for the each job so that we have to minimize the total time. Okay, this is that it is the main concept of Hungarian assignment method. Okay, given task or jobs 4, that is A, B, C, D. Okay, given men or person 4, E, F, G, H. So number of rows is equals to 4, number of columns are 4. Okay, rows and columns are the same, so that number of given problem is balanced assignment problem. If it is unbalanced, we have to add the dummy row or dummy column, but it is in this problem it is balanced assignment problem, so we don't use dummy row or dummy column. Next, this is the first step 1. Okay, using Hungarian method to solve the given assignment problem. Okay, next step is step 2. Okay, that is row reduced matrix. Okay, row reduced matrix, it means in this row which one is the least, that is 7. We have to subtract each value with 11. Okay, that is 11, sorry, that is 11. We have to subtract each value with 11. Okay, so then we get these values. Next, in this row least value is 13. We have to subtract each value with 13. So we get 0, 15, 1, 13. Same. Next, in this row least value is 15, minus 15, minus 15, minus 15, minus 15. It means we get next least value is 10. Okay, we have to subtract this total entire row with 10. So we get 9, 16, 14, 0. Okay, it is the reduced row matrix. Step 3, column reduced matrix. So same, in this column least value is 0, so we have to subtract each value with 0. So it means 7, 0, 23, 9. There is no change. In this row least value is 4. We have to subtract with 4. So it means we get 11, 11, 0, 12. Next, 1. In this column least value is 1. So we get 5, 0, 2, 13. In this column least value is 0. So there is no change in the column. Okay, it is the column reduced matrix. Next, step 4, reduced assignment. So we have to write the matrix here. So we have to start the assignment. Okay, in this row only 1 0 is there, So we have to assign the 0, and in this column remaining zeros will be cancelled. Okay, in this row we have 2 zeros, so we don't do anything. Next, in this row we have only 1 0 because another 0 is cancelled, so it means there is only 1 0 we have to assign here. So in this row we are assigned. So in this column, is there any zeros? We have to cancel, but is there no zeros? Okay, next, in this column, in this row there is no zeros. Okay, now assignment is started with column. Okay, in this column there is only 1 0 we have to assign there. So next we have to cancel the zeros in this row. Okay, is it clear? I think. Next, number of assignments. So we have to count 1 2 3. There are 3, but number of rows or columns is equals to 4. Therefore number of assignments is not equals to number of rows or columns. Okay, so that the next step, the present step is improved. Okay, so present step is improved. So for that reason we are using the tick marking process. Okay, so tick marking process, it means, let's see, select the row and give tick mark to the row where the assignment is not to be made. It is first one. Next one, in the selected row where the 0 is available, select the concerned column and give tick mark. So here we have to select the column, here we have to select the row. So here not to be made, we have to select that row here. Next, in the selector where the assignment is available, so assignment is available, we have to tick mark the concerned row. So apply the freezing unmarked rows, marked columns. Okay, so first we have to write the same table here: 0, 11, 0, 13, 23, 0, 2, 0, 9, 12, 13, 0. Okay, here there is one assignment is here, next assignment is here, and next assignment is here. So what we have to do, it means first just see, select the row, give tick mark to the row where the assignment is not to be made. So in this row, here assignment is there, here also assignment is there, here also assignment is there. So we have to tick the where the assignment is not made. Okay, it is first one. Next, in the selected row where 0 is available, select the concerned column and give the tick mark. So in the row where the 0 is made, so we have to tick there. So that is step 2, and it means here 0 is there. So we have to, in this row 0 is there, so we have to tick this column. Okay, next step, in the selected where the assignment is available, give the tick mark to the concerned row. Okay, so in this column where the assignment is made. So in this row assignment is there, so you have to tick for this row. Okay, first step, where the assignment is not made, you have to tick the row. So here there is no assignment, we have to tick this entire row. In the second step, where the assignment is, where the 0 is available, you have to tick there, tick the column. Okay, here 0 is there, in this row 0 is there, we have to tick this column. Next, in this column where the assignment is made, you have to tick the row, that is third. Okay, next step is applying the rule of freezing unmarked rows and marked columns. Okay, unmarked rows and marked columns. Okay, so it means unmarked rows. Okay, unmarked rows and marked columns. Okay, that is minimum of 7, 11, 5, 7, 11, 5. Next we get 9, 12, 13. Okay, these are the values: 7, 11, 7, 11, 5, 9, 12, 13. Okay, these are the freezed ones. Okay, next in this we have to select the minimum value, that is 5. Okay, therefore subtracting the rest of the unfreezing value with 5 and following assignment rule. Okay, therefore revised matrix. Okay, step 7. Okay, so it means we have to subtract rest of this -5, -5, -5, -5, -5. Okay, so these lines are be the same, but which one is intersecting, these are added with +5. Okay, so these two are added with +5, so that we get the values like this: 2, 6, 0. So here only one line is there, so that is as be the same. Next 0, 11, 0, 18. Next 23, 0, 2, 5, 4, 7, 4, 7. It means that is 13 minus 5. It means 8. Next 0. Okay, it will be like this. Next one, next step is, so we have to do assignment here. So here we have 2 zeros. Okay, here we have 2 zeros, so we don't touch there. Here also 2 zeros. Here we have only 1 0. We have to assignment start here. In this column there is no zeros. In this row we have 1 0 is there. In this column we have to cancel this 0. Next, in this column only 1 0 is there. In this row we have to cancel the 0. Next, in this column there is no zeros. In this column we have 1 0. In this column no zeros. Okay, our assignment is completed. Next, number of assignment is equals to number of rows or columns. Okay, that is 4 assignments and the 4 rows or columns. Okay, so therefore the present solution is the optimal solution. So the optimum assignment task man hours. Okay, here task are A, B, C, D. Men G H F sorry G H G E F H. Okay, how we can select it means here A for G. So here A B C D E F G H. So A for G, B for E, C for F, D for H. Okay, so same I am write here. These values are, we have to write the original values. These are 17, 13, 19, 10. Okay, here 17, 13, 19, 10. Okay, the total is 59 hours. So optimum or minimized total time is equals to 59 hours. This is our answer. Thank you. So let's see once. This is our problem. Okay, this is our problem. We are solving the answer. Okay.